Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We were discussing about BPT. Now take out your test book. Look at page number 8. Our next topic is property of an angle bisector of a triangle. Now, what is bisector? Look at the diagram. PQ is a segment and line L divides this segment PQ into two equal parts. That is, first part is segment PO and second part is segment OQ. Look at this diagram. Angle ABC, ray BM divides this angle ABC into two equal parts, which are angle ABM and angle MBC. Measurement of angle ABM is exactly equal to measurement of angle BMBC. Then we call this ray BM bisector of angle ABC. Page number 8. Property of an angle bisector of a triangle. Now observe the diagram. Figure 1.20. Triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, bisector of angle C intersect segment AB in point E. We have to prove that AE upon EB is equal to CA upon CB. Now our construction is, we draw a line parallel to ray CE. This is ray CE. We draw a line parallel to ray CE and passing through point B. This line, and extend AC so as to intersect it at point D. We know that corresponding angles between two parallel lines are congruent. Now look at the diagram. Ray CE is parallel to ray BD. This CE is parallel to ray BD, taking AD as a transversal. These corresponding angles means angle ACE is congruent with angle CDB. These are congruent. Now taking BC as a transversal. This BC, angle ECB is congruent with angle CBD. This is our equation number 2 by alternate angle test, CBD. But it is given that angle ACE is congruent with angle ECB. It is given that CE is the bisector of angle ABC. This CE is a bisector of angle ABC. Therefore, angle ACE is congruent with angle ECB. ACE is congruent with angle ECB. This is our equation number 3. Now from equation 1, 2 and 3, we can write angle CBD is congruent with angle CDB. In this triangle, these two base angles, they are congruent with each other. Now look at triangle BCD. In triangle BCD, angle CBD is congruent with angle CDB. Therefore, we can write side CB is congruent with side CD. Side CB is congruent with side CD. Our equation number 5 is side CB is congruent with side CD. This side CB is congruent with side CD. Now look at the diagram. These two diagrams are same. In this triangle ABD, BD, this BD is parallel with CE. BD is parallel with CE. In triangle ABD, CE is parallel with BD. Now by applying BPT to this triangle, CE is parallel with segment CE is parallel with segment BD. Therefore, AE upon EB is equal to AC upon CD by basic proportionality theorem. This is our equation number 6. AE upon is equal to AC upon CD. In this diagram, AE upon EB is equal to AC upon CD by B. Now, from equation 5 and 6, CB is equal to CD. Therefore, we substitute CB in place of this CD. Now, our equation number 6 becomes AE upon EB is equal to AC upon CB. This is our equation number 7. And this is the proof of the second property. Hence, proved. That is the property of an angle bisector of a triangle. If CE is the bisector of angle ACB in triangle ABC, then AE upon EB is equal to AC upon CB. Hence proved. Now this is your homework for today. Learn the statement of the property. Thank you.